So, hello. Post this morning, apart from an electricity bill, which of course isn't a very good thing to have in the post. I've got this package here, and so what is it? It's February the 9th. Okay, I've got a package here. Looks like a record. I am expecting one, and it's from Pig Trap in Cornwall, run by Colin Hill. This is something I've been working on. I've been working on all this stuff for, seems like months. Takes months to get all this stuff together, get it right. Colin's been working on it for months as well. There you are, let's have a look. Well packaged, I tell you. Right, haha! Wow, looks really, really good. I really like it. Okay. Tea on the lawn for 4, rustic hinge, and the provincial swimmers. Okay. It's got an insert with it, well, a piece of paper with it to tell you all about it. So that's the front cover. Then this is the back cover with all the information. And then, oh yeah, I remember this. Then we have the disc. And the thing about this one is that you play it from the inside out. So you put the stylus on the inside, and it goes to the outside. And I think there are some record players you can't play it on, but anyway, I'll have a go at it later. I haven't got my record player hooked up at the moment because I don't really use the record player very much. In fact, it's upstairs. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. It looks really good. I like the matte finish on the front. And I like the picture. Nicely saturated. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, well thanks to Colin and Nigel. Nigel Cross, Colin Hill, Colin from Pig Trap. And it's on Pig Trap and Thylacine Records. Okay.